thoughts are nothing, thoughts are also consciousness.
Yes.
That is the ultimate.
Yes. Yes. And there is no world. And there is no world. World is nothing but thought. Thought is nothing but me, the consciousness. So it's a journey. It's a journey. I think you all have not done Advaita level 1 videos. In Advaita level 1 videos, very clearly, you are externally focused all the time. Yeah. So what the teacher does, the teacher says, okay, you start with Advaita level 1. First you see, oh, I am not the body. Then you go to the next step, oh, I am not the mind. Oh, I am the witnessing space in which there is the body and the mind. So you've completed the inward journey. Please, can you mute yourself? We are getting a background sound. So you've completed the inward journey. Now, when you are at the consciousness level, you stay there, you marinate in that truth. And now you recognize, oh, if I am the ocean, I am H2O, and everything that arises from H2O is H2O. It cannot be anything else. So when I am the nothingness that I sense that arises, that also is made of the same nothingness. So thought is nothing but consciousness, nothing else but consciousness. Then I thought says I am this, I am that, I like this, I want that, and that is the world thought. That is also nothing but consciousness. So this is the outward journey. So 2 ways. You come in first, you marinate in that truth, and then you see the outward path. That's why I told you, Ashtavakra is not for the beginner. Most of these people are in Gurukul already. They have already completed their journey from outside to the inside. Yes. Many people are in the higher Gurukul where they've also completed inside to the outside. But they keep slipping here and there. So they need to marinate a little bit more. So wherever we are, no comparison with others, we just keep walking. Yeah? It'll just happen.